Hi everyone, this video is about CraftForms plugin, and in this episode I would like to talk about WooCommerce integration of CraftForms, and I will show you how CraftForms works with WooCommerce. And yes, it works with WooCommerce too. It means that forms created in CraftForms, especially those very complex ones with price calculation, with a lot of personalization options, those custom options of any kind, colors, etc. Those forms can be attached to WooCommerce products instead of default WooCommerce add to cart form, and I will show you how to use it. Here I have just installed WooCommerce plugin. This is the brand new installation, and the first thing, I have to add a new product here. However, I also want to create my form first. So then when I create a new product, I will connect existing form to that new product. So yes, I have to add a new product, but first I would like to create a new CraftForms form. So I click on Forms in a menu item. I click Add New, and there are starters, and this time I just pick one of the starters. For instance, this WC stickers. It's a simulation of sticker mule form. It's a very advanced example, and by using starter, I will show you that this form configuration is ready for you. You can kind of import it, right? You can start if you have such product, you already can bootstrap your work. You just use the starter and you can modify prices. All of them are here. It's a pretty complex product setup. However, it looks just fantastic. I mean, as far as I know, no other plugin can do the same. So here we have a lot of smart variables, all the prices, they are in the tables, everything in set. Okay, so what I do is I rename this form stickers form. Okay, and I publish it, right? So what submit actions do I have? Save submission. Actually, I don't need it. So I removed that submit action and saved again. I think this is ready. Okay, so I go here, and now I want to add another one form. Okay, so once again, I click add new. In this case, once again, I use starter, and it will be WC pipe. This is different, a bit different form, but also already it is ready to be used with WooCommerce products. And here I click form, and next to title, I click those icons and rename. So it will be pipes form. This will be the name. Also, I remove the submit action. I don't need save submissions because I will be using it with WooCommerce, and it means upon adding to the cart, this data from this form, it will create cart item, then checkout item, order item, you know. Okay, so just to be sure that we are all on the same page, so this is the very same form that can be created like contact form, you know, nothing different is here apart from the type of options. They are very specific and tailored for this product type. Also, as you see, let me choose form here and block. Okay, I disabled this inner block use content with. I disabled it. So if you see, if it's enabled, then it's more adapted to pages, to be used on the pages. But since I will be using it in a single product, page from WooCommerce, it's better to keep it disabled. So then this form will fit the whole available size inside the area dedicated to add to cart form. Okay, this is one of the let's say nuances of using the form with WC product. And apart from that, there is can be quantity, or it might not be here as in the previous form, that stickers. There is no quantity, and well, there is quantity, but it's different. So not like in like here, like for regular WooCommerce product, right? Still, there is a button. I just changed the label. Instead of submit, it says add to cart. We kind of simulate the same behavior from WooCommerce, because this form will be used with WooCommerce. Still, there is a notification. Of course, I do not add payment block, because I'm not using payments with these forms, because I'm using WooCommerce, right? Apart from that, there is no any other specificities. Also, this estimated price, we can remove it, because WooCommerce single product page has its own price tag, and I will show you, it will be shown the price calculated in the form. Of course, this is the price calculation form, which means that there is a formula, pricing formula, okay? This is important if you are going to use the form, this form, your form with WooCommerce. It should have a pricing formula. It should calculate price somehow, okay? So I click publish, here publish. Okay, now I go back. So I have two new forms, pipes form and stickers form. Okay, it's they both published. Now I go to products, add new product, and stickers. I call it stickers, my product. And then, so now the nuances of the setting up WooCommerce product and CraftForms form. Okay, so first of all, of course, we should have a title, and also we have to have price. It can be also one, it doesn't matter, but that should be price. Otherwise, WooCommerce treats this product as free product. And in this case, it does not display any form at all, any add to cart form at all, because it's a free product. So to avoid that, we have to add price. It can be anything, because the real price will be calculated by CraftForms form. Okay, so I just put one and that's it. I can click publish or save draft. I click save draft just to save this price. Now there is a menu CraftForms here in the sidebar, in this product data meta box, right? And of course, type of the product should be simple product. Okay, it can be virtual, it can be downloadable. However, it should be simple, not variable. We can add CraftForms form to simple product only. So I click here on CraftForms, and now I see this setting, this switch that asks me if I want to connect CraftForms form. Yes, I do. So I click here, and let me collapse these panels. So very, very important. So first I enabled this setting, connect a CraftForms form. Then I choose specific form, for instance, stickers, because I called my product stickers. So obviously I would like to connect stickers form. And then it's very, very important to click here, saved CraftForms settings. Click, and it says saved. Now that form is connected, because if we do not click here, the save, but click here, save draft or publish, it will not count. These settings will be discarded. Okay, so it is very important to click here, and then when we do any changes in these panels, we again have to click here to actually save data. Otherwise, just by clicking here or here, those data will not be saved. It's very important. Now, there are a lot of stuff here in these panels, and I'm going to make another video, even videos dedicated to those settings. There are a lot of them. There is a lot of going on here, but for now I just skip it, because in some cases, like in this one, I can entirely skip this part, because everything is set in the form, and I save it and it should be ready, and I just click publish, of course. And now this product should be ready to be used. So there is a link. I click it here, go to this page, and you see I have my form on the page. This form shows price, and this is our info block added inside the form. This is our submit button added in the form as well. Let me open that form just to show you that this is exactly the same form. So you see, add to cart, this info block, this quantity, it's actually hidden. We can show it by clicking custom quantity. This is fields conditional logic. Okay, this size probably should be fixed. It's not nice looking. However, you see it works. So when I click here and here, the price is getting changed in this info block. So this is the very same form. So it is important always when you do the form, add this button, add to cart. Also, there should be there can be quantity input if you need it. If you don't, like in this form for this product, I don't need that quantity field, that like standard quantity, let's say, like WooCommerce always adds. I don't need it. It's also okay by clicking add to cart. This product will be added to the cart, but with quantity 1. That's it. So if I do not specify my quantity field, I will show you how to do that in a moment with the next product. Okay, with this one I don't use it, so it's just this quantity as custom meta, because there are a lot of these options, and you see those data, they are getting changed when I change the size. So it's complete simulation of sticker small form, completely mind-blowing advanced example. I recommend. Okay, so yeah, let's click. So we choose quantity 1000 and 75 times 75 millimeters. This is the size, 328 euro. I clicked add to cart, and here we go. We have our metadata added here. Quantity 1, as I said, if we don't use special custom option quantity, it will be 1. And here we have our stickers in the cart. Okay, so now let's go back here. Let's click all products, and here we click pipes form. Okay, so now I'm going to show you another form, and I'm going to create another product. So once again, I click add new product, then I call it pipes, and I click any price, save draft. And now let me show you. So if I click connect and then choose form pipes, and then I just forget to save these settings, right? I just click save draft like this. Okay, and I just showing you that this is the wrong. Okay, this is wrong. Do not use it this way, because those settings are not getting saved. Okay, so once again, when I choose something here, it should be saved here. This is very important. So I enable connection, click, choose pipes form, and click here. Very important step. Okay, it's saved. Now I would like to publish this product, and I'm going to show it to you. Okay, so here I have more conventional this part about add to cart and quantity. I have one, I can make it more. It does not change the price, just like, you know, regular WooCommerce quantity field, right? However, it is not connected right now, so I choose some options, price getting changed for one piece. And regarding of this number here, when I click add to cart, it will not add 4 items. It will not, because we did not connect this custom options. This is custom options. This is not WooCommerce standard field. So what I do, this is a bit advanced example, right? So once again, what I do, I created this cow quantity as my form field. So it's not coming from WooCommerce, right? It is my field added in this form quantity. So what I do is I want this field to work exactly like WooCommerce quantity field. For that, I open the first panel that is called inventory. And I search for my form field variable. So this is quantity here. How I know? Here I have selected this form field, and field name says quantity, QTI, right? Here I click it. It is copied in clipboard, and here I just provide this custom option variable like this. And now I click, this is not needed, save. Okay. And update is not needed here. Okay, so now let's try. So I choose here this choice. Now length would be 1.3 and material galvanized, and I would like to add 4 pipes, right? So when I click here, price does not change because it should not change. This quantity is not used in the formula, and this is absolutely correct. The price is for 1 piece, and I would like to order 4 pieces. So 4 and this price, and click to add to cart. Now I have this 4 quantity is added here. It's not visible as metadata here. It's not written as cart item metadata, right? It is directly posted to a quantity field. Of course, I can change it here. The price is getting updated. You see. Now let's go back to 4. So what we did is just simulated WooCommerce standard quantity field, and now it works like this. Okay, so I'm going to end this video here. I showed you the basic example of connecting CraftForms form with WooCommerce with single products. And here we have the price tag is working, the form is shown, add to cart is working, and it is like, it looks like regular single product page, and CraftForms form just replaces the original WooCommerce add to cart form, and then also price tag is getting replaced. This is what CraftForms does. This is the essence of WooCommerce integration of this plugin.